Hate chasing every crumb or spill? Meet the eufy C20 solution. Tired of sticky spots, dusty corners, or tangled hair everywhere? Cleaning tough messes by hand just isn't working anymore. eufy C20 deep cleans, spins dual mops, and reaches hidden spots. It's convenient, adjusting effortlessly to floor edges and obstacles. See it mop up spills and sweep hair beneath beds or tables. Docking, self-emptying, and prepping itself. It does all the work. Stop fighting messes. Let the eufy C20 be your home's cleaning hero.